Facing error code 403 VPN connection blocked on TiviMate. This video delivers the definitive solutions to fix error code 403 VPN connection blocked on TiviMate right now. First, let's tackle method 1. Always check your VPN server status. Often, a simple server overload or maintenance causes the block. Just open your VPN app, select a new server location and reconnect. This refreshes your connection, often resolving temporary routing issues. If that first step doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems from corrupt app data, which brings us to method 2, clear TiviMate's cache and data. Accumulated temporary files can interfere with network requests. Head into your device settings, find TiviMate under apps, and clear both its cache and data to give it a clean slate. Still seeing the dreaded 403? Method 3 involves changing your VPN protocol. Some protocols might be detected or throttled. Experiment with different options like OpenVPN or WireGuard within your VPN app settings. This can often work around ISP or network restrictions. Finally, if all else fails, method 4, reset your network's DNS settings. Sometimes your default DNS server struggles with VPN traffic. Configure your router to use a public DNS like Google's 8.8.8. Then restart your router and device for a complete network refresh. One of these methods will get your TiviMate streaming freely again!